Now, before we end this day-long event, I'd like to invite Mr. Ramachandra R, Vice President, BFW Advanced Manufacturing Private Limited, BAMPL, to please share the company presentation with our audience members.
Good day. I am Ramachandra, Vice President, BFW Advanced Manufacturing Private Limited, Bangalore. I would like to share some information regarding opportunities in aerospace and defense sector for MSMEs in India. Aerospace manufacturing sector is one of the niche segments which demands very high quality components and subassemblies through system-oriented approach. On a conservative note, aerospace sectoral business worldwide is estimated to be around $800 billion. Out of this, $3 to $4 billion demand can be met by India. Even though it is minuscule, it is a good number. Apart from this, there is a huge requirement for defense-related aerospace requirements for which the figures are not generally available and the numbers are very much higher because of strategic reasons. Of late, India has been recognized as the hub for the supply of high-quality components and subassemblies for this sector. This is mainly because of availability of highly talented and skilled engineers, availability of very cost-effective and competitive priced CNC machine tools, locally made, such as by BFW, and availability of special processes within India, and highly quality conscious technicians who intend to give high quality products to the market. All these inputs make cost per component very effective when compared to importing from other countries and exported back to them, because most of these aerospace components are used by big companies like Airbus and Boeing. All these factors or the requirements from MSMEs can be met as MSMEs have become highly quality conscious and they have become competitive also. Apart from this, Government of India policy of offset program offers much more opportunities for the manufacturing industries. Apart from above niche segment of aerospace, the defense needs of India are growing day by day. It is said that India is the third largest producer and user of defense equipments in the world. With Government of India policy of Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat, and the defense production and components production being given priority to be manufactured with MSMEs, there is huge opportunity for MSMEs to get into this sector. It is estimated that defense sector is going to spend more than $18 billion for modernization of defense forces. Apart from this, it is also estimated that over the next coming 10 years, $250 billion are to be spent for defense acquisition. All these figures clearly indicate the huge potential and opportunities that are available for the Indian MSMEs to manufacture and give it to defense industries in India. As per Government of India new policies and liberalized policies, FDI flow, collaboration, technology transfers in defense sectors for MSMEs are being made easy and also made very lucrative. It is mainly to encourage indigenization and localization of all the components and sub-assemblies required for the defense industry. The whole idea is to increase the production and the value of production through MSMEs so that the surplus components and surplus parts can be exported to other countries, which is going to be huge export earnings to India. There is a scope for a large number of quality conscious MSMEs to increase their business, make additional investments with guaranteed offtake by production units of defense. This creates additional employment and opportunities and intense competition among MSMEs, which will eventually reduce the cost per component or cost per assemblies, which is the need of the day. Here I would like to touch upon another upcoming sector, space. Very recently, New Space India Limited has been constituted or created to manufacture and assemble space-related requirements like launch pads, rockets, satellites, and communication devices and radars, etc. Hitherto, these sectors were dominated by only ISRO and its allied industries or allied groups. Now, as per the new Government of India policies, ISRO and its group are more to concentrate on strategy and leave the nitty-gritties of operational management and manufacturing to private sectors. By doing so, private sectors are going to be benefited and the private sectors are expected. When I say private sector here, MSMEs are also included, and these components or sub-assemblies are expected to be supplied in the form of complete modules so that ISRO ISRO can assemble the modules, test, and then take it up further. This way, all these nitty-gritties are being offloaded from ISRO. People who are into aerospace business can greatly benefit through this space liberalization program. Well, all these and several factors make MSMEs in India very profitable and very, they get a lot of production orders from all these three sectors. Well, there are several experts and more knowledgeable speakers who will throw more light on these subjects. I would like to touch upon how BAMPL, that is BFW Advanced Manufacturing Private Limited, which is also an MSME coming under BFW, that is Bharat Fritz Werner CNC Machine Tool Industries. BAMPL is a 100% subsidiary of BFW. We are into this business or business of manufacturing precision, high complex components for aerospace, defense, and we would like to enter into the space sector also. Here I would like to make a very small presentation about our BAMPL. BFW Advanced Manufacturing Private Limited is a 100% subsidiary of BFW. Our purpose is to enable progress of manufacturing at aerospace, defense, electronics, and medical segments by supplying mid-size, high-precision components and sub-assemblies of global standards. Our vision and mission are as follows. Vision: To be a preferred supplier of choice for complex, precision, mid-sized engineering components and subsystems by deploying innovative, efficient digital processor and create superior value for all stakeholders. And to support strategic self-reliance of India manufacturing high-quality precision components and sub-assemblies. We strictly follow Atmanirbhar Bharat guidelines for precision components manufacturing and sub-assemblies for aerospace, defense, medical, implants, and electronic segments. We have segments to cater to the requirements of defense, electronics, aerospace, and medical implants. We have strengths like many of other people also, experienced engineers and skilled technicians. We have got a well-equipped shop floor, and all the shop floor is equipped with CNC machines from BFW brand. We are capable of machining exotic materials like titanium, Inconel, stainless steel, aluminum, and others. Manufacturing, we have a manufacturing software under CAD/CAM, and we are an EAS 9100 revision D and ISO certified company. Just a small glimpse of type of components we are capable of manufacturing and we have manufactured. And we are always sticking to the job size varying between 80 millimeters to 800 millimeters, and we would like to increase this range beyond once we have long bed machines. And we have an infrastructure which is more than 18 plus CNC machines comprising of milling machines, turning machines, 5-axis technologies, 5-axis VMCs and HMCs. Small glimpse of our infrastructure machining facility. And our infrastructure is spread over more than 20,000 square feet, and we have ample space for creation of new facilities as and when the demand increases. And we follow strictly the process, and the process that is followed is more related to AS 9100 revision D, which I said earlier, we are a process driven industrial, process driven factory rather than human related. We have a quality system. We are an AS 9100 revision D, MSME, and then IEC certificate we have. We have all other necessary equipments required for quality system. We have a small, competitive, and very effective team to deliver things on time. Thank you. Thanks for giving this opportunity.